On this episode of Trek and Beyond, I'll be going to Chengdu in Sichuan province, China. Chengdu not only offers many things to do in the city, but you can also take amazing day trips outside of the city as well. Qingshan Mountain, which is considered the birthplace of Taoism, and Mount Yimaishan Scenic Area, including Lishan Giant Buddha, which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Chengdu is an officially recognized UNESCO City of Gastronomy. It is UNESCO's first ever city of gastronomy in Asia. Some famous dishes include Sichuan hot pot, mapu tofu, which is bean curd, Sichuan dumplings in chili oil, and dan dan noodles. Sichuan food is famous for its hot and spicy flavor. For the most part, it all contains Sichuan peppers and chili peppers. Be prepared to experience a different kind of Chinese language when visiting Sichuan. The dialect is known as Sichuanese and is sometimes difficult to understand and tell apart. Home to the Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding. The giant panda is a Chinese national treasure and is one of the rarest animals in the world. Visit Chengdu during the fall for the best experience. You avoid the hot, sweltering summers, which include many tourists. You also avoid the gloomy winters and the rainy season in the spring. I found the weather in October-November to be the most comfortable. After visiting my best friend in the Philippines, I'll be traveling from Cebu to Kunming in Yunnan Province, China, which I will transfer and then continue on to Chengdu, Sichuan to continue my adventure. Cookies.
Chinese pastry.
Oh, really?
It's really popular. I'm gonna get some later.
Yeah? Look at this.
Chinese pastry shop.
Chinese pastries. Very famous.
Yeah. It has been more than 20 years. Every day is like this.
Every day?
Yeah.
For 20 years?
It's like this. Yeah.
Famous pastry shop. The line is like never ending.
Only a little bit.
We finally made it to the front. I think the first thing is to find some food.
Elsewhere. Not
Really
from
famous, right?
Yeah, but this thing from this restaurant.
Okay. And look at all the people eating it. With a history of more than 1,000 years, the Wenshu Monastery is known as the best preserved ancient monastery in Chengdu. It is also considered to be Chengdu's largest temple complex. The monastery is still an active Buddhist temple where you can see both practicing monks and worshipping locals. It is very interesting to get a glimpse into the daily life of a monk. You can easily spend a few hours here getting lost in the beautiful views and walking around enjoying the surroundings. After that, you can enjoy the amazing local street food across the monastery. I'm on the street now. I met some people last night. My hostel decided to take me to some good food. And this street is like full of different kinds of, there's like lamb just hanging out on the street here. And then here's like a noodle shop. I found this really interesting. There's like fresh noodles there. And then they just make some here. There's like the machine there. It's really cool. And then they have some like dry ones that they made here, I guess. Here's like more lamb hanging out here on the street. I ate one of these. He's like making the dough there. It's like a little bun, and you put like meat and all kinds of stuff in there. Tastes really good, and that's him like making it there, the dough for it. Yeah, pretty interesting street here. Different kinds of food. This is lamb soup. Lamb soup. And you just put it in here with fermented bean curd and coriander and some chili pepper. We got some dishes here. I think that's beef. And she's like smashing the bean curd in there. So I smashed up the bean curd in there. And you take the mutton from here and you just dip it. It's kind of like a dip. There's another dish. Spinach. Chicken and potato. Very good. Alright, so now we got some beer, all this food. Drink the beer out of the small cup. Ganbei. Ganbei. She's bringing more lamb. This is just my friends I met at the hostel yesterday and they wanted to show me some good local Chinese food. It's very nice of them. Our next destination is the Eastern Suburb Memory. This is a communist Chinese factory area turned into an art district. It is very interesting to walk around and have the feeling of the old communist China while seeing the new side of the factory. You can find bars, restaurants, and galleries surrounded by old communist statues, monuments, and the still standing buildings of the factory. Looking at the buildings and the industrial chimney pipelines give you the feeling that there was a lot of history in this communist-era, state-owned factory. It was built under the assistance of the former Soviet Union in the 1950s. Now you can experience a sense of nostalgia and step into the past while seeing a modern urban-style architecture and fashion. So he took us to like the technology university and all these like yellow trees are like Gingko trees. All these people just come here and like take pictures of them. Like look at, and just like play with the leaves. But I just like the color of the trees here and just I wanted to show you all these people just like enjoying it. Taking pictures and like just having fun here. Just hanging out, playing with the leaves and stuff. From where I come from, Canada, we always like played in the leaves in our front yard or backyard, but they don't really have that here, so they just come here to play with them. Because they all like live in apartments here, there's not really many houses. Snack street and people are lining up to get all these snacks because they're really delicious and I guess really famous here, like a famous snack street. Look at how they're lining up to get all this stuff. What is that? Oh my god, what is that? That looks good.
This is stinky tofu.
Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it, yeah. I've never tried it before. But yeah, look at people just lining up to. Must be really good. Maybe try some snacks here. Oh! Police. Jeez, I wonder how long they wait. This one is good. Maybe. I think they're all good. My friends just told me these people wait here for 1 hour for like this special potato snack. It's like, I really want to try it, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait 1 hour for some of these things. It's just too much time. And back there, it's just way too long. Maybe there's a shorter line somewhere. What is the Chinese name?
串串香，串串香。
Chuan.
对对，
That's so hard.
每一串都很香。
Chuan. It's just like meat and beef and like pork and stuff. You put it in here and it's like spicy. There's the veggies. Put like veggies in there. And I just sit outside. Just sit outside here at the back of the restaurant. And once that's done, we'll put the mushrooms and like cabbage and stuff in there. Just let it boil till it cooks. And you dip it in here.